we wanna know. You're not all players, yo. Bring up the beat, yo. NMC production. Yo. Baby girl, I was sitting on the corner looking over you across the way, wondering when you're coming over here. Talk to me, cause I've been waiting patiently. I don't know if you think I'm a gangster type or a player type. I'm not that type of guy. I'm over here, quiet, QG, K-Town knows me. That's who I be. Ron got Henry and Ray, you know we started a new production. Filipino stand up now, just for all the P9 chicks to listen to us, baby girl. You know we're the one for you, and all we wanna do is cruise with you, baby girl. We just messing around for you. Want to know if you wanna go.
I'm not trying to pressure you, just think I'm thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, and just chill.
Yeah, yes, baby girl. You see, I've been patiently waiting, looking out the window, wondering if there's anyone out there who even cares about me. If I could make it to the top, I just need someone behind me to push me, you know? Something like a fan, but something closer, maybe like a best friend. You could be that until the end. I don't give a shit, baby girl, cause you're mine. You know, every time I want to rent it, there is a special girl in this world who will care about us. Every time we're sitting around, waiting for the time to come around when we're gonna be right on top. Cause the bar is so lonely down here, we can't take it no more. We gotta make it up there. I'm tired of this thing, it's kinda getting me scared, you know?
I'm not trying to pressure you, just think I'm thinking about you. You ain't